Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment, helps the video out a ton, and click the bell notification so you know anytime that I go live. Okie dokie, today's dish is really simple. It is a super easy salsa. And it starts off with 28 ounces of fire-roasted tomatoes. If you can't find a 28-ounce can, just get two 15-ounce cans. And if for some reason you can't find fire-roasted tomatoes, they're available at pretty much any grocery store. Just get regular tomatoes. And then you want to add 2 cloves of garlic. Like I said, I try to have everything. The motto of my cooking show is I really don't like it when they use ingredients that I'll have to travel 3 hours to get. So I try to keep it fairly simple. Then you want to add a half a teaspoon of sugar, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of chipotle or cayenne pepper. Chipotle powder or cayenne pepper. Then you want to add roughly about a third of a cup of fairly roughly chopped cilantro. Don't worry, it'll get much more chopped up in the food processor. Then you want to add the juice of 1 lime. If you want to use the jarred stuff, I can't remember I think it's like a tablespoon of juice. But get yourself a lime. And then you just want to lock the food processor in and just pulse this for, I don't know, 30 seconds. Maybe a minute, somewhere in there. Just whatever consistency you desire. And then just put it in a container, and you're done. This is perfect for any sort of party, any sort of football game, or any sports games. It's also a great way to get children involved because nothing needs to be cooked, and they love pressing the button. So that's super easy salsa. Done.